In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xC000007B. So first, you're going to have to go here to Control Panel and then click on Programs and then click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. Over here, make sure both of these are checked. After this, you're going to click OK. Now it might ask you to update or download something, so go ahead and do the installation or update if you get the Windows to update. So after you do this, check if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then you can go here. So go to this PC and then C drive. Then over here you want to go down until you see Windows, this one. So here you want to go find system 32. So I think it should be at the top. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, this is the one. So system 32, click on it. So here just search for X input 1-3 and make sure you delete this. So click here and just delete it. Now you want to go back and go to SYSWOW64 and do the same thing here. So just search for X input 1-3 and delete this one. And then you can just go back here. So go all the way back and just close this and see if this fixes your issue. So if this doesn't fix your issue, just go and open a Chrome browser and then search for DirectX. Now here you need to download this. So go to the Microsoft website and just download this one. So basically this is the DirectX downloader. Just click here and download it. And what you're gonna do here is just go through this setup here. So run the setup, run the installer and let it go and just install. And hopefully this should be able to fix your issue. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.